How to find show auto translation settings on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find show auto translation settings on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok. Here you will find profile, click on it and then click these three lines in the top corner. Here you will find settings and privacy, and now just scroll down, click language, and then just click this one, show auto translation. Here you will find it. If you want to turn it off, just click on it. You can turn it on or off just by one click, and that's it. Just manage it and go back, it will be saved, and that's how to find it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.